All right, as you see, the mouse is mirrored. Let's create multiple elements. Everything still works like you would expect. We could still change everything like this. We could rotate, we can move something like that. Rotation can only really be seen when we do that. Okay. We can change colors. All of that works. Opacity. We can change stuff in here and it'll be mirrored. And same that if we change it here, it's mirrored in here. Then we got layering. So I could say to front, and then I could say backwards. There's a couple of things, right? So like we could see here, I'll make this green, make it a bit thicker. Oh, that green is way too light. Okay. And backwards, so like I can sandwich it in between. So yeah, it's all of our layering works. I just made that a lot bigger, I see. So text is, like a text box, just like a rectangle. Everything else works like you would expect. Great. What else? Yeah, so let me move some of these around. Let me grab all of these. So you see I can't do anything with them, and it says who's editing it. I'm going to copy with Command D, and I just made a copy of all of them at once. I could also copy an individual one with Alt Drag. Yeah, oh, I had that there from before. What else? Yeah, so we have nudge, so I can actually nudge multiple at once, and you see it's all reflected immediately with the other user. Then I can Control A to grab everything at once, press delete, got rid of everything. This is the really good feature. We have undo and redo. So pretty strong undo and redo. As you see, it's every single action is represented. I'm just going to keep doing it. So notice that even changes to properties happen like that. So there's a limited number of undo and redo commands. I see I took a lot of them up with the shift, but still pretty cool. Yeah, so that's probably everything we want to show in terms of that. Let's now say make 20 red circles. So this is our AI thing, and we got a bunch of examples of it here. So that takes a minute, but then there we go. 21, so it's not perfect, I guess. But I can do this, make many more, and I'll just keep making more. And you see that you can see that over there. Notice when I deselect it, happens pretty fast. So select all happens pretty fast. The more we have, the less good that is. So I don't even know how many this is now, but this is a fair amount. Let's zoom out. So if I were to select all, Control A, you see it happens. Oh, I did it on this user. It happens pretty fast, that selecting and deselecting, where I have to select all like this and then move them. There's a bit of a lag there, but not terrible. Let me delete all of them, and now Control Z, it actually puts them all back. Control Shift Z deletes them all again. So that's pretty good. What else might we want to show? I think mostly AI stuff. Oh shoot, we're already at 4 minutes. All the AI stuff works. I will let you play around with it. Just to see, I can try and do stuff like create a login page. It's not perfect, but it usually gets it pretty close. It's just the layering that's not great. Let's see how it does. Yeah, so not perfect, but if I send this backwards and I move this over, we have a pretty good login page. So we can see over here, here's our nice login page. I like playing around with this where I just do something random where I say like create fire truck, and it tries. Yeah, okay, that's a fire truck. I'm going to delete all these. The last thing I just want to show is that I can simulate network error. So let me put a circle on here. Everyone sees the circle. Now I'm going to go offline. As you see, we see offline now. I'm going to move the circle. You see nothing changes over here. Maybe I'll create one over here as well. And then I'm going to go back online and see what happens. So that one moved in real time. And here's this one. So that's pretty cool. I think that's everything I'm going to show. Great.